I'm going to show you how to make some parts for Lincoln Logs that'll enable you to make some rather unconventional constructions. The ones that aren't stained, you can see, are different from the normal Lincoln Log parts that you might find in the store. So here we have a log cabin that has 4 sections, and here we have a cabin that has 3, and here we have a cabin that has 2. So the problem that I came up with when I was making these is, how do I make a truss system that can put a roof on all 3 types? This is the truss system that I came up with. With all 3 sections, you can use it to truss a 4-section construction. And then if you take the middle piece out, just 2 of them can do a 3-piece. The center bit does a pretty good job of making a pretty unique roof system for a 2x2 construction. These are just flat pieces. They're just regular logs cut in half on the table saw. On my channel there's a link to a tutorial on how to make Lincoln Logs. It's pretty simple. It uses mostly a router table and a table saw. Here's what the roof system looks like on a 3x3 construction. Here it is on a 4x4 construction. Okay, let's take a closer look at how we can make these parts. The first thing that we have to figure out is the sizing. The size for our stock that we use is determined by stacking 4 Lincoln Logs on top of one another. And then the top of the seat notch of the 4th log is where we cut the entire piece off flat. And this is so that at the top of the truss, if you want to sit a beam or something onto it, it keeps it at a consistent height that's the same as a normal stack of 4 logs. I hope you understood that. It's kind of hard to explain. Likewise, the seat notch on top of 3 logs determines the height that you cut this piece off at. Now, this extremely impractical piece, I thought it would add the coolest element of unique design to Lincoln Logs by putting a 45-degree angle on some of the things that you make, but it's really difficult to make the piece, so it just never worked out for me. But I'll give you a close look at it if you want to attempt to make it yourself. It takes a lot of head scratching, though. To be honest, I don't even remember how I made it. As you can see, these pieces can enable you to make some pretty unconventional Lincoln Log creations. Well, I hope you give it a try and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.